Introducing the Aviation Fuel Mule from Smart. Seriously? The Smart. Wow, are we really gonna do this every time, guys? It's in the product name. The Smart. The Aviation Fuel Mule. This beast is built for serious fuel transport. It's rugged, the powder-coated steel frame, 10-inch off-road tires, a 50-gallon tank that's made to move, 24-volt electric pump, switch-operated, inline fuel filter, auto shut-off nozzle, no mess, no nonsense. It's perfect for GA pilots, flight schools, ag ops, anyone done with jerry cans and sketchy siphons. Smooth on any ramp, strip, or field. So whether you're topping off your Cub or fueling for a spray run, the Smart. Fine, you get it. It's the Aviation Fuel Mule. It's great.